Welcome. This is Dr. Daniel Stein. I'm your New York Institute of Technology teacher, professor, and we're going to have a very exciting course. This is a picture of me and my site. I'll give you the site, which is drdanielstein.com. I'll give you the link a little bit later. Here you can find out about me and the work I've done in other colleges, what I think about things, and have access to some links and programs that are free that you may not know about. So for this course, there are goals. The first is that you learn the student learning outcomes, which you can check in your syllabus. And for me, you'll be able to demonstrate them using a myriad of technology skills. We'll get into what they are. For example, you will create a new Google site, which looks pretty professional and very easy to use. You're going to be making Word document presentations with an interactive table of contents and a cover saved as PDF on the cloud, so you can deliver it. There'll be backgrounds, hyperlinks, images, lots more. We have to make it so that our graduates achieve the goal of getting a new position or a promotion. You'll be able to communicate using free, powerful programs, using Google Drive if you don't have it already, Snip, cloud storage, Bitly, Zoom, and again, many others. So we're going to create, for the summation of the course, a keystone assignment, which is an online digital course portfolio, which is a summation of what you've learned and the skills that you are now familiar with. Now, this course is broken up into 3 different kinds of assignments. There's discussion boards, and here students create threads, and they're going to write responses to whatever the topic might be, and they can or cannot upload a file, their choice, and then they're going to respond to other classmates so that we have communication not only with your professor, but with students within the course. At the end, in your K document, which is actually down here, which is your keystone assignment, you're going to put copies of your responses and how you responded to other students. So that's the discussion board piece. The second is that you'll have written assignments, and these you will complete a task, and again, each one will have advanced features of Microsoft Word with a cover, a footer, an interactive table of contents, and each will have a bibliography or resources of the sources that you use. We do use Safe Assign, and so for you to get credit for using a site, it would have to be in the bibliography. Upload to Blackboard or your Google Drive, so when you get documents, you're going to upload them to a special folder. We're going to help you set up your Google Drive if you haven't used it before. Now, the keystone assignment is a summation of the D assignments, the W assignments, and it will be put together. You'll notice that I'm giving 10 points for discussion boards and 50 points for each of your writing assignments, and the keystone assignments will be 100 points. So how does it work? Well, weekly Blackboard assignments, which will be based on the syllabus and the course outline. And again, you're going to have discussion board written assignments and the keystone assignment. You can actually start the keystone assignment before we complete each of the weeks, because the discussion board will be a section in your digital course portfolio. The assignments, I'm going to try and give a group assignment. That would behoove you to begin to meet other people within the course by going to the water cooler section or student lounge of your discussion board. There's a place for you to introduce yourself. More about that a little bit later. Blackboard discussion boards will collaborate. There's going to be a section in there, meaning a discussion board. If you have a question, ask it there and see if students can help you. Again, this is collaborative. If you go to discussion board, you may actually find that somebody has asked that question before. So the FAQ has to do with course information, and you're going to find it very useful. Video conferencing, attendance here is optional, but I can show you how to accomplish or answer questions for you right on screen. My pleasure to do so. And then the Keystone assignment, I'm going to show you some samples of other courses and work that they've done. And this Keystone assignment will be posted to your cloud, and you can deliver it to yourself and to others on your mobile phone. We'll show you how to do that. Okay, let's see if I went too far. Okay, the additional websites that I use are my site, which is drdanielstein.com. Okay, and I'm creating a site for the class, which is a new Google site. This is what they look like. And the site that I have has a shortcut using bit.ly. We'll talk about that. And this is an example of what the site will look like. So everybody will get a site. The site I ask you to create is NYIT, first letter of your first name, last name. That's why for Dan Stein, it's NYIT D Stein. We'll teach you how to do that. Okay, so for now, welcome to the Blackboard course. Log in, review announcements, review the syllabus, introduce yourself in the discussion board, water cooler, and student lounge. I look forward to meeting you all. Again, welcome.